Many people find it hard to separate core function performances from non-core function activities. So Usain Bolt runs the 100 meters world record and beat him chest. The issue now becomes the beating of the chest and not the world record. Him too hype and him too show off, and if he never beat him chest, he would have run even faster and blah, blah, blah. There are people to this day trying to water down Diego Maradona's genius as a footballer because of his notorious drug habit. Some people say Brian Lara can bat, but he was too arrogant and full of himself, and he run down the captaincy too much and Ray and tear. Dennis Rodman was one of the best defensive players and rebounders in the history of basketball. But all the talk was about his wayward and weird lifestyle. Why are people so unwilling to separate on-field performances from off-field behavior? Why do people feel a need to have to like our sports performers personally rather than just value their performances? And one last example. The Maverick. Yes. The Maverick is widely regarded as one of the best critical thinkers with one of the best analytical minds in the sports business. But I have my imperfections. I gesticulate a lot and talk kind of loudish sometimes. but that in no way takes away from my superior cerebral application to the issues of sport. Yes, it's true.